So welcome back to another daily vlog of us. We have a really busy day today. I robbed some of Isaac's cereal.
It's nasty.
It's not nice at all, and Wendy doesn't want to eat it. No flavour on it. It doesn't change the flavour of the milk.
Yeah.
It's just disgusting. It's not nice. Take it away.
No.
Okay. Come on, let's get your shoes on, little man. We need to get your shoes on.
No, Batman.
You said Batman. What do you mean, no Batman? You just told me Batman.
That's Spider-Man.
Oh, well, you haven't got Batman, so you're wearing your Spidey-Man. Okay?
That's it.
Spidey-Man, Spidey-Man. He does whatever a Spidey can. Can he sit on your foot? He's a shoe, so I hope he do. You're gonna show the lovely people what your awesome shoes do. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Check these bad boys out. Tried to do a nice surprise for Isaac before he sees it. We bought him a TV and a DVD player for his bedroom, which is going to go on the wall. But before we actually get it on the wall, I've set it up here for now. The only problem is, it didn't come with a SCART lead. Now, why? That makes no sense. It doesn't even say on the box. It does, we should have checked. But then again, who doesn't sell a TV or a DVD player with a SCART lead? I've set it up. I don't want them to see it and then be like, oh, but you can't use it. That's horrible. So now we're going to run out, grab a SCART quickly and come back. It's not even like no one of the new HDMI SCARTs. It's literally one of those old SCARTs. Honestly can't believe that did not come with a SCART lead. Like, why haven't it come with a SCART lead? Like, seriously, why who wouldn't sell it with a SCART lead? Who doesn't give it a SCART lead? Currently carrying more stuff down to the charity shop. Some more bin bags full of clothing and toys that we don't, well, not that we don't play with. But we're heading that way anyway, because, you know, gotta buy a SCART lead, because who doesn't put a SCART lead in the bag? Like, seriously? Why wouldn't someone just put a SCART lead in? SCART lead after.
Would that not be okay?
Oh no, it's going to be a HDMI cable.
Oh, that's
It would be there with them.
You comfy?
Comfy in the trolley. Say hello to all the lovely viewers. Cars, on them can drive. Up in the sky, look at the clouds we have. Especially over here, look at those clouds. They do not look good.
Not good at all.
We're back. We got Isaac's thing, whatever you call it. Gonna set it up in a second for him. He still hasn't got a clue. Can't wait to see his face when he does see it. There we go, all hooked up. I'm ready for him. Let's set it up and see his reaction when he comes in.
What's that?
What's that, mate? Oh.
Woody.
Woody, is that your TV?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Well, happy belated Christmas.
Yeah. I expected a little more of it.
Woody Christmas.
That'll do again.
Woody Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is your present, mate, that we've only really just set up for you because...
We
Okay.
never had the DVD player though.
Ada.
Do you like your TV? You can watch lots of things on there.
Come on, let's lie you in bed and you can watch Toy Story. There you go, mate. How's that?
Do you like it? Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say, I have a TV.
Hi, happy TV.
I'm a lucky boy.
Hi, Woody boy.
Woody boy.
So as we're building it, you guys can guess what we're building. Do you remember the other stuff we built? They must still be on our YouTube channel. Did we actually put them up?
The IQ one?
Yeah.
No.
Did we not? Oh.
No, because that was when the laptop was playing up.
Faulty as hell.
Yeah,
And
so...
when we went to IKEA once, I edited the video. It was a great video as well.
We
so,
must have
so
edited
good.
it like literally 5 times.
If not
even
more.
joking.
If not more. And every time we saved it, it would have different
again.
voice on it. It would have half the video missing. It froze.
Oh, that's what it was. It was
Just
corrupted files.
Yeah, it just kept corrupting, didn't it?
Yeah.
House.
You wanna wash hands?
Your hands are gross. Should mummy wash them or daddy? Mummy or daddy?
Mom.
Get up. I'll
Get
open
on
that.
up. Get up. Get on up.
Can I? Oh, I'm not allowed. The force. Way.
Two backs.
So the screws are crossy ones,
Oh! I just nearly died.
and these are crossy ones.
Your hair looks like waves.
Watch it.
Like waist.
Waves. Look at him.
Waves.
He's brought Woody to watch.
Would you like to have a go? That.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's the right way around, like.
Well, yeah, the door's gonna.
What do
Obviously.
you sweet?
Is Woody asleep?
I need these 2 screws.
Sweet. Like man sweet.
What time is it, Isaac?
No.
What time is it? It's
Pizza.
pizza time. Is Daddy's pizza ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say, come on, Daddy, it's
come and
pizza
get his
time.
Pizza.
Daddy, pizza time.
Pizza time. Oh, hey.
Well, you use these things, don't you? Where have they gone?
I don't know.
Where's that bag? Oh, there. You use them to hold it
Lovely.
in.
Lovely jubbly. I will leave you with this, babe, and I shall go get my pizza.
And it'll probably be done by the time you come back.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
How are we doing then, my girl?
We are getting there.
It looks fantastic, actually. It looks really good. Have you told people what it is yet, or have you shown them at least bits?
Nope.
Let's have a look. Let's see if you can guess what this is going to be. I mean, it's a big hint of what it could be. I hope it fits. That's all I worry. Like, it's not too low.
Oh. Even if it is too low, you've got this part to put like
Stuff on, I guess.
toothbrushes and stuff on.
Yeah.
Oh, I just totally gave away what it was.
Oh, she's giving away what it is. She ruins it. If you didn't actually guess.
I mean, it's pretty obvious. If you didn't guess, give your head a wobble.
Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Cheese. Oh, time.
Ow, my nose.
I know that.
Yeah, I hit my nose, son. I told you you're not allowed your eye man because you threw it at us. Hey.
He's so...
Get out of here.
What
Get
is
out.
it?
Mommy hug.
No, I don't want to be the Hulk.
Mummy turns in the Hulk when Daddy does something wrong.
That
Hey.
is the hug.
Well, Daddy's a soft kitty. I love to be gentle and nice. Mummy's the violent one. Oh, and apparently you. What did you do that for?
Thanks.
Isaac, that was naughty. You say sorry to Daddy now. Give him a kiss, hug, sorry.
Kiss Hulk, sorry. Stop.
Isaac.
Stop it. So thank you very much. I'll end the vlog here.
No, no, we're not.
Why?
This
We've
video,
done
but, like,
everything.
For something else. When you talk, you use your hands so much. I challenge you the whole day for one of the vlogs not to use your hands
My
as a
hands.
gesture.
Not to use your
And-
hands.
Shut up. And every time you do use your hands, you get a punishment.
What type of punishment?
Don't know, but that would be a punishment.
No,
right
that's
there.
not. That's. That's not. Oh, yeah, shut up.
Do you see what I mean?
No,
though?
but I'm. Go away. I'm not. I talk when we. Oh my goodness. Fine. I will not use my hands at all.
I'm just not annoying, so.
Hell nah.
No, I am. I just.
No, you are, love.
Oh?
Oh. It's far too long to say right now.
Is that
So
'cause
we're
you
going
can't
to
think of anything?
end this vlog right
No,
here.
no. Come
Thank
on,
you
tell
for
me how
watching.
annoying I am.
It's been lovely to
Tell
have
me how
you
annoying I
back in
am.
our lives. Show what we've actually missed vlogging
We
on this
have.
channel. Things got busy. We've been through a lot in 2019,
Oh,
which we are going to share with you. We are going to share with you when we do a catch-up video. But
Are you
we're
just
back.
having a nap?
We're back, yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again in another vlog.
What did you just say?
Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon for another vlog.
That is not what you just said. Watch this footage back. You say a load of shit.
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for watching this vlog, and thanks for watching
Thanks for watching this vlog, and thanks for watching the vlog.
this vlog. We'll see you again very soon. See you later.